Dirty Keto. Understanding the controversial variation of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet has surged in popularity over the past decade, primarily due to its effectiveness in promoting weight loss and enhancing metabolic health. A traditional ketogenic diet emphasizes high-quality fats, low-carb vegetables, and moderate protein to induce a state of ketosis, where the body relies on fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. However, a variation known as Dirty Keto has emerged, offering a more relaxed approach to macronutrient sources. What is Dirty Keto? Dirty Keto is a variation of the standard ketogenic diet that prioritizes macronutrient ratios over the quality of food sources. While traditional keto focuses on consuming nutrient-dense foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and grass-fed meats, Dirty Keto permits high-fat, low-carb, and low-protein foods regardless of their nutritional quality. This means individuals on Dirty Keto can consume processed and fast foods as long as they remain within their daily carbohydrate limit. Critical principles of Dirty Keto: macronutrient ratios over food quality. The cornerstone of Dirty Keto is adhering to the macronutrient ratios required for ketosis, typically 70–75% fat, 20–25% protein, and 5–10% carbohydrates. Unlike the clean keto version, Dirty Keto does not discriminate against processed foods. This can include items like bacon, cheese, butter, and low-carb fast food options. Convenience and flexibility. Dirty Keto appeals to individuals who seek the convenience and flexibility of maintaining a ketogenic lifestyle without the stringent focus on food quality. For busy professionals or those who struggle to find time for meal preparation, Dirty Keto offers a more practical approach. Potential for quick results. Due to the permissive nature of food choices, Dirty Keto can lead to rapid initial weight loss. The ease of adhering to the diet may encourage consistency, which is crucial for achieving ketosis and experiencing its benefits. Benefits of Dirty Keto: ease of adherence. The flexibility of Dirty Keto makes it easier for people to stick to the diet. There is no need to hunt for specialty foods or spend extra time preparing meals. Fast food options and processed snacks can be incorporated, making the diet more accessible. Rapid weight loss. Dirty Keto can be effective for those primarily interested in quick weight loss. By strictly limiting carbohydrate intake, the body enters ketosis, reducing body fat stores. Less stressful meal planning. Meal planning becomes less stressful without the need to source high-quality, organic foods. Individuals can enjoy a wider variety of foods that fit their macros, reducing the mental burden of dieting. Drawbacks of Dirty Keto: nutritional deficiencies. One of the significant concerns with Dirty Keto is the potential for nutritional deficiencies. Processed foods often lack essential vitamins and minerals found in whole, unprocessed foods. Over time, this can lead to health issues such as weakened immunity and poor skin health. Increased risk of chronic diseases. Consuming high amounts of processed and fast foods has been linked to an increased risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The high sodium, trans fats, and artificial additives in these foods can negatively impact long-term health. Digestive issues. Processed foods can also contribute to digestive issues, such as constipation and bloating. The lack of fiber in many Dirty Keto-friendly foods can disrupt gut health and regularity. Inflammation and poor gut health. Many processed foods contain additives, preservatives, and artificial sweeteners that can contribute to inflammation and poor gut health. Over time, this can lead to leaky gut syndrome and systemic inflammation. Dirty Keto versus clean keto. Food quality. The primary difference between Dirty Keto and clean keto lies in food quality. Clean keto emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods rich in nutrients, while Dirty Keto allows for processed and convenience foods. Long-term sustainability. While Dirty Keto may be easier to adhere to in the short term, clean keto is often considered more sustainable for long-term health. The nutrient-dense foods in clean keto provide a broader spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall well-being. Health outcomes. Clean keto has numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, digestive function, and mental clarity. In contrast, Dirty Keto's reliance on processed foods may negate some of these benefits due to potential nutritional deficiencies and increased health risks. How to transition from Dirty Keto to Clean Keto. Gradual changes. Start by making gradual changes if you're following Dirty Keto and want to transition to Clean Keto. Introduce more whole foods into your diet, such as leafy greens, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods. Focus on incorporating nutrient-dense foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Opt for grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and organic produce whenever possible. Reduce processed food intake. Slowly reduce your intake of processed foods. Replace them with homemade meals and snacks made from whole ingredients. This will help improve your nutrient intake and overall health. Plan and prepare meals. Meal planning and preparation are essential to successfully transitioning to Clean Keto. Set aside weekly time to plan your meals, shop for ingredients, and prepare food beforehand. This will make it easier to stick to your new diet. Conclusion: Dirty Keto offers a more flexible and convenient approach to the ketogenic diet, making it an attractive option for those seeking rapid weight loss and ease of adherence. However, the potential drawbacks, including nutritional deficiencies and increased health risks, must be addressed. Transitioning to a clean keto diet emphasizing whole, nutrient-dense foods is recommended for long-term health and sustainability. Individuals can enjoy the benefits of ketosis by making gradual changes and prioritizing high-quality ingredients while supporting their overall well-being.